Okay, so today you're going to learn how to find the area of a rectangle. The area is the number of square tiles you will need to cover a shape. We are going to use our color tiles for the first triangle. So let's bring a tile over. And first thing we want to know is how many rows we have on this rectangle. How many rows do you think we have on this rectangle, everyone? Get ready. Yes, 2. Well, let's count how many tiles are in each row. Now that we have it covered, how many tiles do we have in each row? Get ready. Yes, 4 tiles. So we have 2, if I get my pen working, 2 rows by 4 tiles. So the area of this rectangle is 8. Let's go ahead and use our tiles for the green rectangle on the right hand side. And we're going to see how many rows. 1, 2, 3 rows in this rectangle. So we know we can write a 3 over here. And let's see how many across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we can go ahead and fill the rest if we want to, but we already know that each row is going to have 5. So the sentence that we're going to write is 3 rows or groups of 5, which equals 15. So the area of the second rectangle is 15. Let's move on to the last rectangle. Okay, so for the last rectangle, we can use some tiles to cover to see how many rows. All right, it looks like we're going to have 2 rows. And how many across? 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 across and 2 rows. So our number sentence would look like this. 2 groups of 6 equals what number? Get ready. Yes, 12. So the area of the third rectangle is 12. Because we know we could place 12 tiles in that rectangle. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, let's do one more rectangle. So what we're going to do is place our tiles down the side, or you can cover the whole rectangle. I'm going to go ahead and start down this one side. We've got 1, count with me, 2, 3, 4, about 4. Okay, so let's go ahead and see how many tiles we can get across. We already have 1, so that's 2, 3, 4, 5. Right. So we know we have 1, 2, 3, 4 down this side, so we can have a 4 here. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 across. So we can write a 5 here. So now we can write our number sentence. 4 groups of 5 equals how many tiles? Get ready. Yes, 20 tiles.